Hey guys, it's Kim here, and I am back with another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you are not new, of course, welcome back, child. In today's video, this is a quick video, child. I'm showing you guys another hairstyle that I just made up. With my hair still being in braid outs, I'm actually going to take my hair out tomorrow, so be on the lookout for that video update. But yeah, I just laid my edges. And yeah, that's about it. And put the scarf on, girl, tucked it in the bag, and that's it. Did my little face, and that's it. If you're still interested in seeing the results, again, just be on the lookout for that video. Today I do have to run errands. I need to ship some stuff out for you guys, and we also doing free shipping. So we have free shipping today and free shipping tomorrow. So go ahead and check that out. So if you guys are interested in the lock necklace, or if you're interested in the earrings, I say definitely take advantage of that sale today and tomorrow. So this is the style, y'all. I really like it. All I did was just pull it all up in a ponytail, folded it down, put a rubber band over it, and then put a scarf on. And that was it. Yeah, girl. Thank you again for watching this very quick video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and a wonderful morning. I will be talking to you soon, child. Remember, free shipping, lock necklace, all that good stuff. All right.